Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's video topic is about air conditioner. Air conditioner is a very useful machine in our modern life, especially in hot countries like Bangladesh. It helps us to keep our room cool and comfortable when the weather is very warm. An air conditioner works by taking hot air from the room and changing it into cool air. Because of this, people can relax, study, and work better without feeling tired from heat. In summer, many homes, offices, schools, and hospitals use air conditioners to create a healthy environment. It also helps to reduce humidity and dust, which is good for our breathing. But we should use air conditioners carefully because they use a lot of electricity. If we keep the temperature too low, it can be harmful for our health and increase the electricity bill. Regular cleaning and servicing are important to keep the machine working well. Some modern air conditioners also save energy and are better for the environment. Although an air conditioner gives us comfort, we should not depend on it all the time. Fresh air and natural wind are also important for our body. I think air conditioner is a great invention that makes our life easier, but we need to use it wisely and responsibly. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.